According to screw specification, to set up unit/revolution. Setting up homing. Point 1. From the origin to 290, -10. Point 2. Ink pen down. Point 6. Ink pen up. Point 3. First stroke of a triangle, 290, -10, to 50, -10. Point 4. Second stroke of a triangle, 50, -10, to 170, 230. Connect point 3 to point 5. Point 8. From 170, 230, to 50, 110. Point 10. First stroke of a circle, 50, 110, to -70, -10. Arc mode, order point, 26, 40. Point 11. Second stroke of a circle, -70, -10, to -190, 110. Arc mode, center, -70, 110. Point 12. Third stroke of a circle, -190, 110, to 50, 110. Arc mode, radius, 120 mm. Connect point 10 to point 12. Flow 1, homing. Flow 2, stroke triangle, use point 1 to 5, 6. Flow 3, stroke circle, use point 8 to 12, 6. M10520, all-axis servo on. M11240, add 40 times, and -1, axis status servo on. Call Fun 176, flow 1. Call Fun 176, flow 2. Call Fun 176, flow 3. Homing, flow 1. Stroke triangle, flow 2. Stroke circle, flow 3. First stroke of a circle. Second stroke of a circle. Third stroke of a circle.